So, andito tayo ngayon sa Serendra to check this foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. Total floor area po natin is 127 square meters. And may kasama po itong parking. So, from living area, meron po siyang balcony facing amenity area and facing city view. So, mahaba po yung balcony niya, hanggang doon po siya. And then, ito po yung kitchen niya. Meron po siyang maid's quarter or laundry area. Meron po siyang sariling bathroom. So this is around 39 million. But we can request for discount. Pwede natin siya makuha around 35 million or around 260,000 per square meter and subject to management approval. So meron tayong isang kwarto dito. Meron na rin po siyang kasamang built-in cabinets. And then we have one common bathroom here. And then another bedroom here. Again, may built-in cabinets din po siya. And yung flooring niya sa bedroom is, it looks like Nara Parquet. And then master's bedroom niya, may built-in cabinets din po. And then may sarili po siyang bathroom. So, floor to ceiling windows din po tayo dito. Ayan. Tingnan nyo naman ang view. Napakaganda. Facing amenity area. And facing city view. May view din po kayo ng Marikina Valley. Ayan. And Laguna de Bay. So again, this is around 39 million regular price. Discounted price is at 35 million subject to management approval. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. As is where is po tayo dito upon turnover, and submission of offer is first come first serve basis. And as you can see, the unit is actually in good condition. It looks like hindi po siya nagamit ng previous owner because wala po ako nakikitang mga marks or yung parang mga yung mga dinidikit sa pader. It looks good as brand new. But of course, kailangan po ng konting linis, hilamos for this unit and perhaps some repairs. Like sa bathroom fixtures, yung mga shower heads, yung mga doorknobs. But overall, it looks good as brand new, ready for turnover. So again, this is first come first served basis. If you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Serendra in BGC to check a foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's go and check this out.
flowers here.